Alright, welcome back again. So now I'm gonna do the AWS Lab of the 100 Days of Cloud series, and today is day 42, and the title is right here, Building and Managing NoSQL Database with AWS DynamoDB. So first of all, we have to build a database, and at the same time, I hope we have to do managing the database. Okay, let me click the start button. Let me go to adroit.com. Okay, great. So here the nautilus DevOps team is developing a simple to-do application using DynamoDB to store and manage tasks efficiently. The team needs to create a DynamoDB table to hold tasks, each identified by a unique task ID. So here each task we have a description and status which indicates the progress of the task completed and in progress. So I think this lab is similar with the previously from the Azure, right? So first of all, we have to create DynamoDB table. Table name is nautilus-tasks. We a primary key. So primary key is task ID. So and then we had to insert the following tasks into the table. Task one is description is here. Learn DynamoDB data is completed. The second is B to do F. The status is progress, and verifying that task one has its status completed and task two has its data in progress. So finally, ensure that Dynamo table is created successfully and that both tasks are inserted correctly with appropriate statuses. Okay, so I will copy all of these three requirements and let me find it Google because I don't want to find step by step. The reasons why I do this is the requirements are related on each other. That's why. So here, so first of all, we're gonna create the Dynamo table using this command. So we create Dynamo table. Alright. So here is. So here, table name is nautilus-tasks, and attribute for the attribute is task ID, and here is attribute type is okay. Attribute is task ID. Great. So here is key type is HASH. Billing mode is pay per request. Okay, so let me run this one. Okay, great. So now we're gonna insert the tags. So once the table data is added, we have to insert the items using the put item command. So I will run this command. So for the first tags, we do here tags one is this, and the description is right here. Learn DynamoDB. Here's data is completed. So I will run this to insert task one. Okay, great. So now let me run this command to add the second task. So second task name description is B to do F, and data is in progress. So here we just do step by step. So okay. So finally, let me check for the verification and to verify the status of the task. So we're gonna use this command. and get item. So we need to give the specific here table name, Dynamo table name. So I will run this. Maybe something's wrong. An error occur validation exception when calling the get operation. Invalid project expression attribute name is result keyword. Result keyword is not correct. Maybe okay. Let me verify for the second step. How about this one? We had an error. Yeah, here also attribute name is result keyword. Result keyword status. Result keyword status. Okay, validation error is I found this error. So the comment is something wrong. So let me ask again here. So okay, we had to run this command. Get item. Okay, let me check the status. Okay, so now we see the status of the second tag is in progress. So let me give for the first task. Okay, so that will be here. The first one is right here. So let me also change right here. That would be with the hash. And here also hash and hash status. Okay, let me copy this actually, and I will change the. Okay, so for the first one that would be warn. Okay, great. So now let me run this one. Okay, so for the first task is US data is completed, so we successfully verified. So now let me check it out. Click confirm. Yeah, that's it. It's definitely similar with the previous lab of the Azure series. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. Just follow step by step. So, but here we need to aware of the correct comment. This is not correct. We have the attribute error, so that's why we need to use here hash signs for the project expression and the expression attribute name. Here we have to use the hash sign. Okay, great. So so I will stay here. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video again.